Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So if you're trying to change a setting on TikTok but getting the message the setting is restricted to protect your privacy, you don't need to worry. I'll show you in this video how you can fix it in simple steps even if you're totally new to TikTok. So first, why you're seeing this message. So this happens when when your TikTok account is set up in a way that limits privacy options, and the common reasons is because your account is marked as under 18, or you are using a family paired account, or TikTok thinks your profile is for a teen or child based on age or region. So this is how you can fix it. First, you can check your age in TikTok. You can go to your TikTok profile and then tap on the menu in the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, click on account, and go to the account informations. And in here, you can see your birthday. If your birthday shows you are under 18, so some features will be locked automatically. TikTok doesn't let you change your birthday manually, so you'll need to contact support if it's wrong. And next one, you can turn off the family pairing. So if your account is linked to a parents via family pairing, they can control your privacy settings. So to check it, you can go to the settings and privacy, or you can just go to the privacy in here. And then if you see a pair account, you can ask the parent or guardian to unlink or adjust settings, but you need to access the parent's phone to change those. Next one, you can also try to switch to a business or creator account. So this trick works for some users. You can go to the settings and privacy and then find account, and here you can just switch to business account if you haven't. And you can pick any category like personal blog or educations. So this sometimes unlock hidden privacy settings, especially for over 18 users. Next, our final one, you can just contact the TikTok support. So you can go to the settings again and find the report a problem options, this one. And you can tap on account and profile, this one. And choose editing profile, and here click on other, and you can just tap on need more help options, and you can just type in my account settings are restricted and I need help unlocking them, and I'm over 18. Okay, for the final tip, sometimes just logging out and back in or reinstalling TikTok after switching accounts can help you refresh the settings. And that's how you can fix the settings restricted by TikTok message, step by step, no tech skill needed. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!